What if World War III started tomorrow? Not 10 years from now. Not in some distant future, but tomorrow. Would we even see it coming? The truth is, the next World War won't start with soldiers. It will start with silence. A silent wave of cyber attacks, shutting down power grids, banks, satellites, plunging entire nations into darkness. Confusion, fear, and then chaos. AI-guided missiles strike military targets before any human can respond. Hypersonic weapons, 5 times faster than sound, leave no time to react. Drones with facial recognition eliminate key leaders. And deepfakes? They confuse the world about who even started the war. Within hours, trust collapses. Within days, governments fall. And then comes the unthinkable, nuclear launch. There are over 13,000 nuclear warheads on Earth. Just 100 of them could trigger a nuclear winter, blocking sunlight, dropping global temperatures, destroying crops. Billions would face starvation. But it doesn't end there. Global trade shuts down. Clean water becomes a luxury. Cities turn into battlegrounds. Not for land, but for survival. And who makes the decisions? Humans? Or artificial intelligence? Many experts believe AI will control the next war. Not just weapons, but strategies, alliances, even morals. It won't think like us. It won't hesitate. And it won't feel regret. Maybe the scariest part isn't that it could happen, but how quickly it could. One glitch, one hacked satellite, one drone, that doesn't come back. World War III could begin and end in a matter of hours. So, would you even know it started? Subscribe to AI Tells for science, future, and the questions no one dares to ask.